How to turn on or turn off iCloud Photos Sync on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from Settings, we tap on the iCloud account or your Apple account name at the top here. Next, we go down and tap on iCloud. Then from here, you want to tap on Photos. Next, in here, tap on Sync this iPhone. Tap on the toggle button to turn off iCloud Photos Syncing, or you can switch it on. Here, it said that to turn it on, you may have the option to upgrade for more storage space. So I'll just tap on Cancel for now. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen.